Hey my loves, I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am making this delicious and so flavorful baked fish. I can have this for lunch or dinner every day and I will have no complaints. You already know I'm excited. Let's get started right now. Let me show you how I cut the fish. I wanted the seasoning and the marinade to really get into the fish. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? So I was on a mission. I drizzle a little olive oil, but feel free to use any kind of oil you have. I pour the marinade over the fish. I also made sure the fish was well covered with the marinade. You can enjoy this fish with pretty much any side dish. Or you can have it by itself with some onions or cucumber. It was delicious. The spice level was medium. I didn't want it super spicy. But if you like it spicy, go ahead and add the spice. Don't be afraid. Thank you for watching. I hope you try the recipe and enjoy the video. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.